kidnapping me or where are we going?
I'm not telling you. No. All right, I'll tell you now.
I haven't seen my family in weeks.
Shut up. Shut up. And listen, I am a real rational human being. So all I want to do, I agree with your statement, but all I want to do is just go find a car. Why is it so hard?
We didn't have good luck last time.
Nothing with Ivan, so I figured, why not go to Newport Beach to the dealership, because it's not just McLaren, it's not Lamborghini, they have everything. They must have some fucking amazing used cars.
I was thinking about something yesterday though. You're not counting in inflation. Your 200 grand is now your 300 grand. What are you gonna get in Newport that's 200 grand?
I don't know, Sergio. I don't know. I'm at the point where I'm like considering putting more money, but I don't think so. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna stick to my guns. Also, I cut myself making meat yesterday.
Oh no.
And by the way, that's like cleaned
That's a nice
already.
little slice right
oh,
there.
dude, it's open. I heard that.
Chef Alejandro.
It is what it is. Let's go see Abdul.
Let's do it.
God damn it. Sergio.
Do you smell that? I smell a deal.
Do you smell a
I
deal
smell
too?
a deal.
Me too. It smells like a combination of farts and piss. Wait, what?
What kind of deal are you talking about? 0% down right here.
Oh, I was looking more like a Stephen Hawking type of deal.
Oh,
no?
No, we don't have those.
Oh, I see.
No,
All right,
no.
well, I guess we're going to settle with the Skittles. Dude, look at how many they have.
Yeah.
Do you think we can get a 0% finance deal?
If they're doing it up the road at Kia,
They are. If they are doing it at Kia, I'm asking.
I think you gotta ask.
I'm
See if
asking.
they like deal match or whatever it is. Price match.
Abdul's going to be like, if he's here, he's going to be like, don't ever fucking show up again.
He's hiding somewhere.
No doubt, I would. By the way, there's a GTC
You got
right
lucky
there.
today.
Oh.
Yeah, you got Cullinan.
Oh, I don't want to call it in.
You're past the Cullinan. I remember one day, you used to be obsessed with the Cullinan. What happened?
Belen doesn't want to drive it. Like she says, I'll drive it on the weekends. What about...
It's tough to drive around $500,000 like that as like a daily.
But then, see?
You gotta not care about it.
We'll
and
see.
Belen still cares a little bit about
Okay,
it.
so you think we'll find something today?
I'm more hopeful looking around. I just don't know if you're gonna find anything in your budget. I think your budget's the biggest factor.
By the way, the budget's not bad.
Hey, I know, but you're looking for something outside of your budget.
Oh yeah, you own a fucking golden car.
I do, so I take it back. I think I'm a little harsh on you.
No, because Sergio was telling me that this car is a dentist car now.
But I mean, it is, but it's also a dope car. You can be both. They're not mutually exclusive. They're not mutually
They
exclusive.
are mutually exclusive. You cannot be a cool cat and be a dentist. When have you ever met a guy that you're like, dude, who's that guy? Oh, he's awesome. I want to be friends with him. He's a dentist? Awesome.
I think the rims really age it. I think
Well, but the rims are the easy thing to fix.
Yeah.
You just call Tommy and get some Forgiatos on it?
I know a place that actually has your rims in stock.
Me too.
It's a cool spec though.
Yeah, Azure. It's got the nice leather inside. Please don't throw the wood. Oh! Huh, I think this is nice, but I'm sure it's gonna cost a lot of money because it's the Azure. I don't know what that means, but Azure my balls, guys. We're gonna go inside and see. Ooh, F8. Ooh, is that a turbo?
Yeah,
Ooh, is that a 911R?
they got it all.
Ooh! It seems like they do have a lot of cars.
Deals on deals is what I'm hearing.
And Kia's right across the street, so there it is. So we'll get a Kia deal.
Worst case scenario, we could just walk to get your car.
Why don't we go finance at Kia instead of financing here 0%? It's like, hey guys, I want to buy a car, and then you give me 0% down, zero upfront. I don't pay anything
You
for
go
3
buy a
months.
Kia, you go trade it in over here.
That makes no sense, Sergio. Oh my God! Look what I just realized, guys. That guy has the nicest looking wheels on the planet. And I know what you're thinking. Alejandro, those are not your swipe wheels. No, but that's the design that Fuel stole from me. It's pretty cool. They are sick as fuck, honestly. They are. Good job, Fuel. Good job. I would have done the same if I had the capabilities. My fucking guy.
How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. No, wait. Didn't I see you before? No? It was before the new year?
It was before the new year. Pretty sure.
Holy shit, time flies
flies,
by
yes.
when you're in love with yourself.
Is that what the saying is?
I don't think so. I don't think so. God fucking damn it. I don't want to look that way. So number one, wow, singer.
Yes.
We'll talk about that in a second. So this is what we're doing here. We just showed up. By the way, beard looks great. Haircut looks fresh. Good for you.
Timed it perfectly.
We showed up and here's the deal. This is what we want. I'm looking for a car around $200,000, something used. Bentley GTC style of thing.
He wants a beach convertible.
Maybe a 600 LT Spider, perhaps, or anything. Or we could surprise each other, and I'll give you my Sterrato. I have more money. There's some other shit. Show me things. I'm a
Definitely.
fucking degenerate, and I need to see things.
Let's help out the addiction.
Not your balls, though. All right, we got the inventory, boys. Let's look. So what do you got under this? Oh, fucking 911. Go on. Mercedes GLE. Go on. A Panamera. I'm not that old. Wow, Pontiac Firebird.
That's a pretty cool and rare car.
How'd you end up with that?
We get a little bit of everything here at Lambeau Newport Beach.
Oh my God, you doing a commercial right now? Holy shit. That is pretty good.
Another 911.
Oh my God, these 911s are everywhere, huh?
Just got a new Range Rover full size. Another 911.
Oh my God, a McLaren GT. Nah, Belen would kick me in the dick.
Another Range Rover.
But that's like the tiny one, right?
That's it's a full size,
Oh.
and it's an autobiography. So you got the
That's
massage
great.
seats.
You already get the discount on it because they're like $250. That's $194.
Finally, a Range Rover backup sticker.
Oh. Another
The
911.
orange GT3.
Those
It's
fucking
gonna be a fun
yeah.
car. That one's a manual. It's got a roll cage.
I'm looking for something that my wife can also drive, dude. Imagine like, hey babe, here's a manual with a roll cage.
Easy, right?
She would kick me in the balls. Can you
The
imagine?
safety feature.
The roll
think
cage
so.
will be much more safe.
What else you got?
Another 911. Mm-hmm. A red G-Wagon.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
A 600 LT in Ludus Blue.
Spider. You see the price, Sergio?
Oh yeah.
Don't.
You just gotta go up at
Don't-
10%.
No, they gotta just come down a little bit. You see what I mean?
That's the best way to put it.
You see what I mean?
I like Sergio's mentality better.
What else you got in there?
Urus. Mm-hmm. Oh, we sat in this one last time.
And they still have it. That means it's a deal.
Yeah, we just dropped the price. You can see
I saw
our
you did.
age on the
Yeah.
cars. We have a white one, a black one.
You mean you have a blue one, another 911, another
This one
Range
just
Rover,
sold.
another
Silver
Urus,
Urus. Artura.
Artura. But I'm looking for more of a convertible type of vibe thing.
Convertible type deal. The thing is,
There it is.
269. That's not bad. That's not
What's
bad.
the Azure? Do you know?
the Azure is a more rare option that comes in that particular extreme silver metallic. There's extra badging on the car, extra lining in the leather. Those are some of the things I know, but
So-
we're not a Bentley bean.
So-
It's your dental special. I'm telling you.
And it matches your sweater.
You'd fit in the car right now as you drive.
I'm gonna fucking
You got your
kick
comfy grandpa shoes on without laces.
That I do.
Yeah.
That I do.
I can see it. You're coming to the realization.
You bring your cigars
For what?
for your Bentley when you have the top down.
You got all these cool cars around, and you keep coming back to this. When are you gonna just pull the trigger?
I'm gonna pull my.
They're coming. Prices are coming down. One day you're gonna come in. You're gonna come in. It's gonna be gone, and
Can
you're
I
gonna
tell
be
you
so
something?
sad.
Can I tell you something? Prices are coming down, but I'm also sure they're gonna be like, your Sterrato's worth nothing. Nothing.
You gotta talk about how strong the Strato market is.
Oh no, Abdel's behind you. Sergio.
You got the key.
But actually, Abdul hooked it up and we're gonna try the Singer. Finally! Finally!
It's a lot of your budget though. Just a little bit.
It's out of the current budget for that car.
Yeah.
Let's see how this fares. This is pretty crazy. You know the
special.
Back in the day, I was gonna get a Singer.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I actually
One of the first ones.
I was gonna order a triple blue combination, which is kind of funny because we've been here wasting time trying to get numbers on this.
Yeah.
I know I'm retarded. You guys don't have to tell me. I know I am retarded. Either way, we're gonna look at this beast right now. I am so pumped. I've never driven
These
one.
cars are just so special.
I've never driven it. Dude, thank you for hooking it up. Are you kidding me?
Anything for you.
Are you kidding me? We're not bringing it back now. Oh, it smells like gas deliciously. I'm actually just gonna stay here. Don't take the car. I just want to smell it. I just want to smell the gas. All right, my boys, shit just got real. Abdul was awesome enough to open this up and let us take it for a drive. This right here, this blue beast is the Singer 964 reimagined. I'm sorry, the Porsche 964 reimagined by Singer. That's right. This is a company, I'm sure everybody here knows what Singer is, but to those who are watching this and don't really know so much about cars, Singer is a company that just makes they work on these cosmetically and also on the engine, on basically everything, and they reimagine these cars and bring it to modern times. So you can buy a car that looks spectacular like this one. They update a little thing here and there on the chassis, and I'll tell you exactly what. And they redo the interior, they redo the electronics, and they add a lot of stuff. So you can drive an older classic, but have all the comfort from a modern car, which is what everyone wants. And by the way, why is not every single company doing this? Why? This is work. Now, this one is the Las Vegas Commission. This is a blue car. And back in the day, years ago, and Sergio knows this, years ago, I ordered one of these monsters. And like I said, I'm not good when I order a car because I just can't wait and blah, blah, blah.
It's one in a week. Get out of here.
It's over. Look at poor Ivan. He's sitting at Galpin right now watching us buy other cars instead of the Lotus. I'm sorry, Ivan. So this was the story with that. We ended up not taking it. And back then, my order was about $600,000. And for you to buy one of these things, you need to buy the actual older car, which is a donor car, and then you give it to Singer. And Singer absolutely reinforces the chassis with carbon fiber. You can see it right here on the beautiful blue. You can see the beautiful carbon fiber underneath the paint. God, it's gorgeous. It's like F40 style, what you can see here.
That's insane.
Sergio, come on. You're the guy with the good eye. You're the guy with the good eye. Yeah, I know, it's beautiful. So they do that on the chassis. They also made it wider on the back, so you can see that this is not exactly how the 964s were back then. So they reinforce the chassis, they play with it a little bit, make it a little sexier, bring it up to date. They put a 3.8 liter engine on this one, specifically on this one. There's also a 4.0 liter engine. This one produces 350 horsepower. And aside from being not really all about speed, it's about the driving experience. That's what you're gonna get with this bad boy. I mean, those big tires, look at the wheels, but really, you get to enjoy this when you start paying attention to the craftsmanship of it. It's insane. Look at the frunk. The frunk is crazy. And then also the fuel tank is right there, which I think is one of the coolest things about this car. You close it and then, bam, your fuel tank is right there. And this is so light, by the way. This is paper thin weight. Oh, it's car. Absolutely. You can see. Oh, you can see it all over the car. New headlights, new everything, guys. So this bad boy, new wheels. Look at the mirrors. These are so cool. Manual little mirrors. Then you have this. And you know what? Look at the interior details. Because for real, the leather, it's hard to imagine. This is how you open the door. Your speakers, your electric windows. Believe it or not, you don't have to go like that. And then you really get to look at the car inside. These seats are gorgeous. Gorgeous. The tan interior is gorgeous. And I don't know how they do this with the leather, but my God, I want all of my cars to have it like this. So now let me take you inside real quick. And here you'll see The steering wheel, your gauges right there, very old school, very true to the Porsche branding from back in the day. Then you have your key, your starter right here, AC, which by the way works, which is incredible, a little screen right here, and some modern USBs, believe it or not. So you see, everything here is about detail. Now, the one thing I'll say is, this one is an automatic. This Vegas Commission is automatic. It's got some pink details, which are gorgeous. And it's got a fire extinguisher, which is always good and nice. But my God, look, back here, you kind of have one seat, but not one back here. And obviously your cage. God, this is gorgeous. And the best part of it, we're gonna go drive it. Do you guys understand how long, do you understand, like Greg Manarino, how long I've been waiting to drive one of these? Do you guys understand? Do you understand? God, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. This is insanely gorgeous. Sergio, would you please loan me a few $1 million?
If I had him, I would. I'm in love with this thing. It's just insane.
Wow. Let's go drive it.